Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. It is haul time. Today we are doing an awesome haul from Dollar Tree, Ross, and Walmart. Grandma did 3 different stores over a period of a week. Here we go for Christmas time. From Walmart, I got these beautiful Christmas balls because I'm joining in on a pink tablescape for Christmas. And I thought I had lots of pink items, and was I ever wrong? I had to go out and buy so many pieces, and this was just one of many. The sign on top, Dream Big, I'm going to put in my office to try to give me more encouragement for this coming year, to do a better job building my channel and putting better videos up for more watch time. Now this beautiful teapot you see, I got that at Ross. It was very pretty, and I think it was $7. I think it was $6.99. Let me look and see. Yep, $6.99. Thought that was a pretty good price for this teapot. I wanted to get just a plain white teapot, for I can put more things together and incorporate it with more things. Solid white you can mix with every single color under the rainbow, so that's why I did that. And I caught this as I was leaving, and wasn't this glam? Because I don't have a lot of glam pieces, I thought this was pretty. It's a coaster set, and it's already finished off because I'm not a big DIY person. This cost a total, let me get this turned around, $5. That was a good price, I thought, also, for what it was. So those were the 2 things I bought over at Ross's. Now, Walmart, I guess I should have said first, was these beautiful Christmas balls, not the silver ones, just these big beautiful ones. And I happened to run across these, and when I saw them I had to have them. They look and feel just like candy, but of course they're not. But I thought that looked really pretty for my candy station that I'm going to put together. And all the rest of the items you see here are all from Dollar Tree. So I got some more little soldiers. I already got 1, so now I have 4. I like this farm to table, and I do a lot of from my garden to my table post, and I'm going to use this every time I put one of those posts up. I got another little reindeer, and because I needed some more pink pieces for my pink tablescape, and I couldn't find any pink plates because I was going to buy some, so I gave up and bought plate paper to use and paper napkins. This one I'm going to use with my Christmas decor, and I'm sure it will be fine. I'm going to have a big theme of snowflakes, and as you can see, I bought lots of snowflakes. I'm going to use them as a table accent piece, and I'm also going to use it in a wreath, so I'll be double dutying them. And the same with these, because I wanted, in my mind, I can see what I want. We'll see how well Grandma can do executing her Christmas wreath this year. And I got a little more candy for my candy station, and I got some bells for my Christmas wreath. And because I have looped yarn and I don't want it wrecked, I got some hooks to hook my ornaments to my looped yarn on my wreath, because I don't want to hot glue anything and mess anything up. So this was a pretty good haul too. So I hope you enjoyed 3 different store haul that I did today between Walmart, Ross, and Dollar Tree. I was pretty happy how it turned out. If you're not already following my channel, please consider trying it out. Please click the like button. It really helps my channel a lot, and I really love seeing that you enjoyed this post. It always means a lot to me to know you're all enjoying what you're seeing. Well, don't forget, Grandma loves you. Kisses and hugs. If you've made it to the very end, you've done an awesome job. Thank you so much, my awesome friends, for sticking around for the kisses and hugs from Grandma. Love you all. Take care. Until the next video. Bye-bye for now. Can't wait to use that beautiful white teapot. Is it not beautiful? Let me know what you think about this $6 white teapot that I picked up today. And of course, those candy cane trees. I love them too.